Hi friends, welcome to my channel Business and Marketing Guide. As you know, it's very important to have a data set if you want to do statistical analysis like correlation, regression, t-test, ANOVA, etc. Then you must have a data set. So data set is simply a collection of data. So in this video, I am going to discuss how to find a good data set over internet for statistical analysis. So if you are a student or anyone who does not have a data set but wants to have a good data set for applying statistical tools like ANOVA, regression, correlation, etc., then watch this video completely. To find a data set, I will go to Google search and simply type data set for statistical analysis and click enter. So here I am getting a lot of websites. These are the different websites where our data sets are there. So let us click on statistical analysis Google. This is Kaggle. Kaggle has a lot of data sets you can find here. If you click data sets, then you can find a lot of data sets related to marketing analytics, Bangladesh, road accidents, and more, global superstore. You can also filter by date if you want a data set that have been uploaded in the last 90 days. If you want a small data set, medium, large, whether if you want a data set file type like Excel or CSV. So these are the filters that you can apply and you can get the data set. So here, for example, I want a data set that is for multiple linear regression. So simply I will type data set for multiple linear regression. This is data set for multiple linear regression. When I am clicking enter, you'll find a lot of data sets that is related to multiple linear regression, and here you will find dependent variables as well as independent variable. There will be one independent variable and there will be a lot of independent variables. So this is what I got. And here I am getting many data sets. So this is the data set for predicting house, vehicle data set. So we have a lot of data sets. If you click on any data set, you can find out the required data set. More specifically, if I want a data set that is related to price prediction, I want a data set that is to predict the price. So this data set that I want to find is related to price prediction. So if I want to have a data set on which there will be something related to house price prediction, then I will click here and I am getting this data set. So if you click here, download 3 MB, you can find here the data set, and also you can find what are the different components in the data set. So this data set is related to some real estate market, and there are different columns in the data set. This is the price, this is the dependent variable. There will be independent variables like number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms, and something more. So basically on the basis of the number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms, and square feet living, square feet plot, number of floors, view condition, so we can predict the house price. So if I go to download then we cannot download it until unless we register or we sign in with Google. For I want to sign in with my Gmail ID, so I am going to sign in with Google. So there are many mail IDs that is coming up, and I want to click with this. So I want to log in with my mail ID. So I have entered my password, and now let me check whether it is coming. So this is saying that the username has already been taken, so I am taking digital marketing 1, 2, 3. You have to opt for this, otherwise they will not let you download. Maybe just let me check. Okay, so you have to agree with their conditions. And now you can download this file. So this is just I am going to download it. So this is a zip file on which this is being downloaded. Okay, fine, it has been downloaded. So this is the data set that I have got from the kaggle.com, and there are different variables in the data set: price, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, living area, plot area, number of floors, waterfront, view, condition. So depending upon your requirement, you have to select these variables. If I want to apply multiple linear regression, then I want to have one dependent variable. So basically I can predict the house price. This is house price in dollar based on the number of bedrooms. So there is one independent variable that I would like to select. This is another independent variable that I would like to select, and it can be the third independent variable that I want to select. So based on the total plot area, living area, and the number of bedrooms, I can predict a house price. So depending upon the statistical tool that you want to apply, you have to select the variables accordingly. And this is a good data set, and there are lot of observations here. So if you want to apply multiple linear regression or any analysis, then you can select up to 30 rows, then it is better. So if there is 30 observations, then I think it's better that you can apply the statistical analysis. You can also select more than 30 rows. So because there are a lot of rows here, it can have around 1,000 rows. So I am not going to use all the 1,000 rows in the data. So I can select only 30 rows, and then I will learn how to apply multiple linear regression. There is already a video that tells you about how to conduct a multiple linear regression by using Excel analysis tool pack. So you can also watch that video. So thank you to all of you for watching this.